Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm a physical therapist.
I'm Amy. I'm a speech-language pathologist.
I'm Jenny. I'm an occupational therapist.
Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm a school psychologist.
Related service providers have been given an unmanageable job in our school district.
We're placed at too many schools, asked to cover unreasonably high caseloads, and we can't provide the high-quality services our students deserve.
Our contract has very little language protecting related service providers, and the current contractual caseload caps are not enforced.
The Caucus of Working Educators want us, the experts in our fields, to be at the bargaining table alongside negotiators so that we can get the supports that we and our students need.
A reasonable workload model of service delivery.
Access to the tools and space to do our jobs.
Equitable assignments with caseloads that meet national recommendations.
And professional respect for our licenses and technical knowledge.
Hi, I'm Katie Carpenter.
And I'm Bevin Journey. We're running for PFT Executive Board with the Caucus of Working Educators because it's time for the voices of all related service providers to be heard.
By listening, organizing, and fighting for our needs together, plus bringing our expertise to the bargaining table, we know we can get the contract language that we need.
The time to speak up for ourselves and our students is now.
Join us in voting for the Caucus of Working Educators because together we are strong.